Bonsoir tout le monde, nom c'est Paulna. Me popo tololo, me popo tololo. Yes, I like Popo. Some people call me Popo. You know, my close friends, my co-workers and stuff, they call me Popo. So I love this name. So welcome to the channel. Welcome, bienvenue à tout le monde qui regarde mon konya. Please subscribe pour subscribe ma famille qu'on est haïtien, c'est haïtien, on nous supporte haïtien, comment rappel haïtien yo dans chez manger chien. So on nous supporte haïtien, à channel haïtien. They give me different video. And like it's been 2 years I wanted to do YouTube, but I get time, I don't have time. So I think I had watched what's her name, Rose Demier, something like that. She the one that c'est elle même qui plus fait plus voulait faire vidéo haïtienne. Yeah, so nom c'est Paulna, 30 ans, et il y a 3 petits monde, marié, il y a 6 ans et 6. Yeah, no, not 6. I'm 8 years married, and I've been with my husband for like since I was like 14 going to 15. Yes, since I was 14 going to 15. So we still together. So we've been together like 15 years. So together 15 years and our marriage 8 years, and next year gonna be 9 years. So yes, women travel. Yeah, women travel a lot. Women travel, women have fun. I like to laugh. Women oui. So that they oui. Yes. So yeah, and pour ma back when not facile way, because he vraiment like il va aimer moun kon business li va, I don't know. Il va aimer, I don't know, pas kon j'aime t'expliquer, mais il va aimer, il va aimer la caméra, il va aimer quand c'est moun, I don't know, pas kon j'aime t'expliquer, but you already know. But là, il va facile, parce que si nous avons occasion and stuff, si nous travel, si nous allons côté, well, of course. But as far pour moi, ma veille, like, pour vidéo, il pas facile. Because il vraiment aimé était à part, il faut mon qui à part, il va aimer dans problème avec aucun monde, il va aimer, you know, stuff. So, moi-même tout, I'm friendly. I know I'm friendly. I'm very friendly. So I need to change that about myself, because I'm too friendly. And then that's when moun ka de respecto. Please, by le ou trois sous moun. Yo ka de respecto plus, but ma priye pour ça en pile. So moi-même son femme qui remet bon Dieu, mette bon Dieu dans tout bagay m'a fait. Dans tout bagay m'a fait, mettez bon Dieu, mettez avant. So I don't know. So yes, so please, si nous venons là, si nous avons regardé la première fois, please subscribe to my channel pour faire more video. And then si vous voulez on bagay de moi-même tout, faites-moi connaître. Yeah, ask me any question y'all wanna ask me. Pour moi-même, moi-même j'ai cheveux bleus. Let me see. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I have blue eyes and stuff. Yeah, I'm getting blue, and that's natural. I'm fake eyes, and that's my eyes. So please, welcome. Move so subscribe to my channel. Please give them a like. Google would like. A big like, please, so I could please feel down. One, feel down, video, but at the same time, I'm gonna keep pushing because like samedi nou an depi 2 ans devle faire YouTube, but I don't have time. But this time I'm gonna do it like, even I don't do it every day, but I'm gonna do it at least a week for video. Okay, so please subscribe. Please subscribe. Hey, we gonna turn. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Nou pral pran plezi dans chanel sa. Rete la branche. Subscribe. Okay? Alright, bye.